Hello fellows, we are discussing arithmetic progression exercise 1.2. So today's section I am going to solve the exercise 1.2 second main. Look at the question 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First one, given that 30 term of the AP 10, 7, 4 so on is. So option A is 97 and B is a 77 and C is a minus 77 and D is minus 80. So here the correct option is C, minus 77. So here justify it. So let me solve here. Given that AP is 10, 7, 4 so on. So here the first term A1 is 10 and A2 is 7 and A3 is 4. So here we want to find out common difference. So common difference D. So D is A2 minus A1. So here we know that the value of A2 and A1. So substitute that value. So here A2 is 7 minus A1 is 10. So here we got minus 3. So D is minus 3. Is it clear? And now here we know that the formula. We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is a standard formula for finding the nth term of a AP, right? Here we want to find out the 30th term of a AP. So here n is a 30. A30 equal to a plus n is replaced by 30 because we want 30th term into d. 30 minus 1 into d. So now here A30 equal to a plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into d. And now here we know that the value of a and d. So substitute here. A is a first term. So first term is 10 plus 29 into d is minus 3. So now here 10 as it is and 29 into minus 3 is a minus 87. So make it subtraction, we got minus 77. So here A30 is 77. 30th term of a AP is 77. So write down the conclusion here. Hence the correct answer is C, minus 77. Is it clear? Look at the next problem. L1 term of a AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 comma 2 so on is. So here we want to find out L1th term of a AP, and here the given option A is a 28, B is a 22 and C is a minus 38 and D is a minus 48 integer 1 by 2. So here the correct option is B, 22. So let me solve here. Given that AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 so on. So here first term A1 is minus 3 and second term A2 is minus 1 by 2 and A3 is 2. So here find out common difference. Common difference. Common difference D is A2 minus A1. So here A2 is minus 1 by 2 and minus A1 is minus 3. So minus 3. And here we got minus 1 by 2 as it is, minus into minus plus 3. And now here take 2 as a LCM, and minus 1, 2 into 3 is plus 6. So now here minus 1 plus 6 is a 5 by 2. So here D equal to 5 by 2. Common difference is 5 by 2. And here we know that the formula, write down, we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we want to find out L1th term. So n is replaced by 11. A 11 equal to a plus 11 minus 1 into d. And now here a11 equal to a plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into d. And here we know that the value of a and d. So substitute here. So a is the first term. So first term is minus 3 plus 10 into d is 5 by 2. So here 2 ones are 2 5s are. And here we got minus 3 plus 5 into 5, 25. So here minus 3 plus 25, we got 22. So A11 is 22. So 11th term of this AP is 22. So option B is correct. So write down the conclusion here. Hence, the answer is B. This is equal to 22. Is it clear?